In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign labels, tasks, and checklists like a pro. We're going to explore how to streamline your project management process and ensure that everything runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to Trello. This versatile tool will be our workspace for organizing tasks and keeping everything in check. Once you're there, you'll need to choose your preferred login method. Whether it's through email or a linked platform, ensure you have your credentials handy to access your boards efficiently. After logging in, the next step is to select a board. This will serve as the hub for all your tasks, labels, and checklists. Picking the right board is crucial because it allows you to categorize your projects and keep related tasks together. Now, let's shift our focus to defining clear labels. Think of labels as a way to categorize and prioritize each of your tasks. They give you an instant visual cue about the status or importance of an item. We're talking labels like high priority, in progress, or even project-specific or department-specific labels. The key here is to use concise, descriptive names consistently across all your tasks. This uniformity helps in cutting down confusion and makes your board visually navigable. Next, let's break down tasks with checklists. Checklists are your go-to strategy for tackling complex tasks by breaking them into smaller, manageable steps. Start by identifying every necessary action required for a task's completion. Arrange these actions logically, and if possible, group related steps together. As you write out each step, keep the instructions clear and concise. By the end of this, you should have a comprehensive and easy-to-follow checklist that mirrors task progression, which you can manage using tools like Trello or Microsoft Planner. Now, on to assigning responsibilities and deadlines, which is crucial for ensuring accountability. For each task and checklist item, assign specific people responsible for that work. Equally important is setting realistic deadlines for each of them. Communication is critical here, so ensure every team member is clear about their role and those deadlines. We must utilize the right project management tool. The ideal tool should seamlessly support your workflow while providing all essential features like labels, checklists, and task assignments. Additionally, consider tools that integrate with other platforms you use, like your email or calendar. Take advantage of customization options, like custom fields and views, to tailor the tool precisely to your needs. Finally, it's essential to periodically review and adjust your process. Schedule regular reviews to assess your tasks, labels, and checklists. This ensures you can adapt and tweak your approaches based on your current progress and any evolving needs. And that's how you can manage tasks, labels, and checklists like a pro. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance your project management skills and move toward achieving your goals more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in.